I want to give you a quick demonstration of CLIPish and how you can use it to find thousands of images, animations, emoticons, and videos to insert into your text messages on your iPhone. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is to move the CLIPish icon so it's right next to your messages icon, because you're going to use these two applications a lot together. Let's go ahead and start the CLIPish app. You'll notice along the bottom there's 4 tabs. Let's go to the Browse tab. This will bring up the library of images, and you can use your finger to scroll through those. You'll notice along the top you have these selector buttons. You can look at clip art, animations. Animations are designated with a little blue button, or videos, and they're designated with a green button. Let's go ahead and tap the All button so that we include all 3. You can also change the category to sort this by newest. Let's now go into the search box here and type Christmas. This will bring up the images relating to Christmas. I can then look through these. When I find something I'm interested in, I can tap on it. That will enlarge the image. If I double tap, it goes full screen. If I double tap again, it takes it out of full screen. I can use my finger to swipe through and look at the images this way. You'll notice that some of these images are animated. And if they're animated, you'll be able to see that. When I find something I'm interested in, I can tap on the Copy button, and that will then copy that image to my clipboard. Let's now go ahead and quit CLIPish, and then let's run the text messaging program. Tap on the person you want to send the image to. You'll tap in this input box to bring up the keyboard. You'll now want to hold your finger down in this box, and then after a couple of seconds let go, and you'll see the paste option. Go ahead and tap that, and you'll see it's pasted your image into the input box, and then you can hit send. And then it sends the image. Now it's not showing the animation here in this video, but when you do this on your iPhone you will see that it is animated. So that's how you use copy and paste to insert an image, but you can use a second method where you actually save the image in your photo library of your iPhone and you insert it from there. So let's take a look at that approach. Let's quit the messaging program and let's run CLIPish again. One shortcut that I'll mention with copy and paste while we're here is if you know which image you want to select, you can just hold your finger down and you'll see that that copies it to the clipboard without going into the expanded mode. This time let's search for flowers. You'll see it only finds a couple of images and one animation in CLIPish's master library, but you can expand your search by tapping on the Search tab. This will then go out on the internet and find dozens of additional images for your search term. Now you'll notice this is showing me photos. I can go into here, however, and I can change that to show me animations, line drawings, and so on. Let's go to clip art. Now since these images are coming off the internet, you'll notice that you can also change the rating if you want to choose to not be exposed to any adult content during your searches. Then just like with Browse, I can tap on an image and I can thumb through these images by swiping with my finger. Once I find the image I'm interested in, you'll see I can copy and rotate it. I just double tap to rotate an image, and I can use the finger pinch method to crop an image. This time, instead of using the copy button, I'm going to tap on the save button. This will actually store the image on my iPhone so I can quickly insert it at a later time. Now when I tap on the save button, it's going to ask me how I'd like to optimize that image. I can optimize it for using it with text messages, emails, even wallpapers, or I can store it in its original format, which is great for things like inserting it up to Facebook. Let's actually go ahead and store that for text messaging. And then let's quit CLIPish. And let's run the message program again. This time, instead of holding my finger, I'm going down here, I'm going to tap on the Insert Multimedia button. Then tap on Choose Existing. This brings up my photo library. I'm going to tap on Camera Roll. There's the image that we've saved. Let's tap on that and then tap on Choose. You can see that it's inserted the image. I can tap Send and the message gets sent. So that gives you a quick overview of how CLIPish works. You'll want to use the save method for images you use a lot, and you'll want to use the copy method for images that are more one-off.